At number 4, we have the Nokta Simplex Ultra. The Simplex Ultra excels as a versatile all-terrain detector, fully waterproof for submersion up to 5 meters, ideal for freshwater beaches and rivers. Its lightweight carbon fiber design enhances portability without sacrificing durability, and the 15 kHz operating frequency improves sensitivity to small gold jewelry and relics. The included Bluetooth headphones provide wireless convenience, while adjustable iron volume control reduces distractions from unwanted targets. 6 preset search modes, including beach and park, simplify operation for beginners while offering customization through manual sensitivity and ground balance adjustments. Target separation stands out in cluttered areas, reliably distinguishing valuable finds amid trash. Respectable depth detection reaches up to 10 inches for coins in optimal conditions, complemented by a rapid recovery speed that maintains efficiency in high-traffic sites. Though saltwater performance requires careful sensitivity tuning, its reliable build and intuitive interface make it a strong choice for both casual explorers and serious hobbyists seeking a robust entry-level detector.